Off to the tuners we go. Installation skills, it calls that. About to load her up, put her on the trailer, take it down to the tuners and get it tuned. Let's get it on the trailer, eh? So I picked up the car yesterday and drove it home, and the crank seal had let go, so that means there's oil all over the place. I was just lucky enough that when I drove it home, I decided to pop the hood and make sure there was nothing leaking. The tuner advised me that there was a bit of oil residue on the floor after he'd been on the dyno. So once I drove it home, I thought I'd pop the bonnet and have a look just to make sure there was no leaks. And as soon as I popped the bonnet, there was oil all over the ground. And then I looked down the street and there was oil everywhere. So I was lucky that I popped the bonnet and had a look. So I'm on my way home now. I've got a new seal. Gonna put it in, and then we're gonna go for a drive, and hopefully it doesn't happen again. Here we have it. The problem is down in there at the crankshaft seals let go. I don't really know if you can see, but there's oil everywhere. Underneath there's oil, so now I'm pulling it all back out to replace this seal. This little seal is letting everything out. $10 part, and I put a brand new one in there, but the spring must have fallen off when I put it in. These things happen. So now pull the whole lot out, replace the seal, put it all back together, and fingers crossed that doesn't leak. Well, that is why there is a leak. That's really fun. No good. So my dodgy installation skills have caused that. So lucky I got another one. We're on the job now. Got the man on the job. He's going to fix it up. Good on you, mate. She's all fixed, ready to go. Let's take it out and see how she goes. Today was a success. We got her out, took her for a run, running very well. It's now been about a week. I've been driving around, just trying to get some Ks on it. We now have 439 kilometers since getting it back. I'm going for the 500 mark and then dump the oil, new oil, do another 500, dump it, and I'm running mineral to let it run in, and then once I hit 1500 then I'll go fully synthetic. It's made a fair bit of power. It is a running tune. It is literally running gate pressure. That's it. It's running about 10 pounds. It's making about 300 kilowatts at the rear wheels. But so the tuner said he can't go any further with it because the timing is jumping either side like that. when it's on full noise, and that is all because the Dizzy gear is thrashed out. It's 33 years old, so I've ordered a new one. We're going to build the box, put that in, and take it back, and we're going to try and wind it up to about 20 pounds. I know you've all been waiting very patiently, watching this whole video, just so you can see me doing a skid. So let's go watch that celebration skid.